Welcome to the video in trigonometry, looking at the terms and positions which are related to given angle, and of course they are quite simple. Here we are looking at uh, particular concepts which can be of much use when we go into higher levels of trigonometry and also for solving problems. So the first point we are looking at is what is called an angle in a standard position, and an angle can be or is said to be in a standard position if it satisfies 2 points, and the points are first is the vertex, or the point at which the angle is rotating, or the point at which a particular ray rotates to create an angle. So that vertex should coincide with the origin. And the second point is that the initial side should be coinciding with the positive direction of the x-axis. Now let us look at what exactly this means. So there you have the y-axis, and so that's the x-axis and y-axis. And of course here is the origin. Is quite simple, and suppose you're dealing with a ray that's OP, and it's this particular ray which is going to rotate and create the angle, and you can see that the ray OP is lying on the positive side of the positive direction of the x-axis. So that's this the initial side, and suppose this ray so I hope this would do. So this is the final position, so this is the terminal side, and of course this is the initial side. So you can see that the angle POS, which has now been created, has the conditions which make it a standard angle, in the sense that its vertex is coinciding with the origin, and the initial side is lying on the is coinciding with the positive direction of the x-axis. In fact, we can create another angle over here. Of course, the lines are coming in a little clumsy, but I hope students would understand the point. So you have another angle over here coming up, and so you can see that the new angle. So this is called M. So the new angle. So the second, this is the first angle. So this θ1, and this is θ2. So θ1 is angle POX, and θ2 is angle POM. So for angle POM also you can see that the initial side is again the same, that is, it's lying on the positive direction of the x-axis, and of course this vertex is also lying on the origin. So the key point, what is the key point? The key point is that the angle should always, I mean, to put it in simple words, the angle should be starting, or the rotation of the ray, which creates the angle. So rotation of the ray which creates the angle should start from the positive part of x-axis. So that's the key point. Now why that's the key point is that because if the rotation starts from that particular part of the x-axis, positive direction of the x-axis, then naturally the vertex would also be lying on the on the origin. So that's a key point as far as this angle in the standard position is concerned. Thank you.